Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mass. I'm going to walk you guys through our budget tracker within our digital life planner. So we also have a 50-30-20 budget template for those who don't have a budget, but if you do have a budget, you can use this if you just need to be a little bit more organized with your expenses and your budgeting and understand where your money is going. So here you can add different categories like housing, transportation, groceries, etc. And you will set your budget for those categories. And then once you create your categories in your budget, you will go below in your expenses and you will add your expenses by month. And then you can assign a date, usually the due date or the date that you paid that expense, along with a reminder if it's a due date. I absolutely love that feature. And you will assign the category that you set above and the amount that you spent or the total expense. And so once you add that information, add your expenses, everything will automate and populate in the category section, and you will see your spending versus your remaining and your overview and how you're doing with your monthly budget. Absolutely love this template.